Okay, well, Mark is busy putting our dresser together. Got tired of living out of suitcases, so I asked him to put this together for us. So he's working on it. We're almost done. So. Okay, I know that some of you have been asking about the inside of our home. And, well, other than the fact that we tore out all the carpets, we really have not done too much work inside as of yet. We have done some work. We put new blinds on all the windows for security reasons. Now, the issue was that we only had a very limited time that we could spend here the last time around. And there were certain things that we wanted to get done before we had to leave it. And even this time, we're back in order to try and complete some of the essentials that we didn't have time to get around to. Security cameras is something that we're looking at. And they should be delivered today, and Mark will be working on it. Now, this is bedroom number 2, I guess. The master bedroom has not been worked on at all, and we don't really want to set up in there until it's cleaned up. So meanwhile, we've just set up a mattress in the spare room, and I've brought a couple of my quilts. I don't know why I ended up bringing a white one, because it really is, well, it's a cream, it's not actually white, but that kind of makes it difficult in a dusty house with no proper flooring, but it's okay, I keep it covered up now. And my second quilt here on top is probably the last one that I have that was actually a handmade quilt by me. It is, other than the blocks being made by machine, it's hand-stitched. Each of the basket's handles are hand-stitched, and the whole queen-size quilt was bound by hand, which is a lot of work. The big job of the day for me was, well, yesterday actually, was getting this dresser completed, and I finished it this morning and put it in this room. And what I want to do is make sure that we don't have to bring a lot of clothing back and forth. We certainly have enough clothing that we can leave some here and not have to bring suitcases full of clothing every time. And we had 2 suitcases full of clothes anyway, so now they have a home. And yeah, I got tired of living out of suitcases, and I told Mark that, you know, this is home and we should accommodate and do something. So for now, this is our bedroom. We do have a makeshift setup kitchen as well. I'm not going to show you, it's pretty ugly. We did buy a new fridge, a new stove. I do have a sink and counter that I can use, so yeah, but I'm not putting anything in those cupboards. So most of my food and dishes and all that we keep is either in the refrigerator or on a shelf in baskets. So yeah, the kitchen needs a lot of work, but before that there's structural work that needs to be done. So we're doing things in the order that they need to be done, and kitchen is not the first thing that has to be taken care of. Anyway, I wanted to show you that I did bring the Alabama Bible back home. Now, those of you that have watched my other channel know that I took this Bible, and I did create a video on my other channel how I took it, an old Bible that was pretty beat up. I mean, it's still pretty old. Had a cover that was falling off, and I took it back with me to repair at least the cover. It's not a great job, but at least it's solid. And I took the label from the original, cut it out, glued it, and sewed it onto a leather case, which I made. And the side as well. The side was actually falling apart more, and you could see that, but it's still glued and sewed on, so it is recognizable. So it is the red letter Master Art Edition. Nice Bible. It is personal. There are letters inside. There was a letter written inside this Bible to someone, and of course I just leave all that there. I had no intention of changing anything inside just putting a cover on it. So the Alabama Bible is home. It's home. So there we go.